Now let's proceed to find out the second part, which is finding the percentile rank for the active marks. So for this one, the variable is marks. So this is the frequency and this is our cumulative frequency. So in order to get the percentile rank for this marks, which is 80, you can just refer to the column marks. So 80 is located on the interval between 79 to 84 marks. So we can mark here, this is referred to the percentile rank of K. We do not know what is the percentile rank that refer to the active marks. So we can just manipulate from this formula to get the percentile rank. So we already know the values, which is 80. So 80 is equivalent to so this is our class containing 80 mark. So the lower class boundary is 78.5 plus with the K, we do not know what is the K, that is our unknown, times with the total frequency is 20 divided by 100 minus with the cumulative frequency before that PK class is 16 over with the frequency of that class is 2 times with the class we same like before, which is 6. So when you try to get the values of K, so you will get the values of K is equivalent to 82.5. So since it is mentioned from the formula before, so you have to always round off the values. Therefore, the answer should be 83. But it's better for you to write down the answer like this. Percentile rank of 83 is equivalent to the 80 marks. So this is our final answer. Now let's look at to the part B. How many students get marks between 61 to 73? So 61 and 73 marks is referred to the three interval here from the second interval until the fourth interval. But you cannot just simply add all the values of frequency here. Instead of that, you have to find out the percentile rank. So you have to find out the percentile rank refer to the marks of 61. So you have to find out the kth value. Let's say I use another notation which is n. So you have to find out n location for the data of 73. So our aim here to get the n and also k. I cannot use k for both, otherwise it will be confusing. So I use another notation which is n. So basically you have to find out the rank for 61 and also for the marks of 73 to get the total number of students getting marks between that. Okay, so let's calculate one by one. So I will calculate for the marks of 61 first. So 61 is equivalent to, so this is our PK and this one is our PN. So 61 is equivalent to 60.5 plus with the K times with the 20 divided by 100 minus with the cumulative frequency before that class is 3 over with the frequency of that class is also 3 times with the class which 6. So from here you will get the values of K is equivalent to 70.92. But please don't round off yet the values of the rank. Instead of that, you have to find out first the values of the rank for the data of 73. So let me write down here for the data of 73. So 73 is equals to, the lower class boundary is 72.5 plus with the K of 20, I use N just now. So use N times with the 20 over 100 minus with the cumulative frequency before that class is 12 over with the frequency of that class containing Pn is 4 times with the class which is 6. So we will get the values of n here is equivalent to 61.67. Since we want to find out how many students get the marks between 61 to 73, what we have to do with the rank that we get just now, the rank of 61.67, you have to minus with the 17.92. So you will get the rank is equivalent to 43.75. Then in this situation or in this point, you have to round off the values. Therefore, the values of rank between that two marks is 44%. This is not the final answer yet. We want to find out the number of students. Since the total number of students is equivalent to 20, so 44% times with the total number of students, we will get 8.8. Since we are referring to the human, so we have to make sure the final answer should be in terms of discrete values. Therefore, round off the values, you will get the total number of students getting marks between 61 to 73. There are 9 students. So this is the final answer.